Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another Living in Japan video. So today we are going to Kumamoto. Yes, we are going back to Kumamoto because the first time I went, I really didn't get to do anything because it was my first time going. I only went for AJ's game. Like I was like, I'm not exploring, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just going to the game because it was my first away game. So I was just, ready to support my man. But this time, we're going to support my man, but I'm also going to do a little sightseeing this time. We're supposed to wear black because Kumamoto and Kagoshima are I think 2 hours away from each other, maybe 3. I'm stretching it with 3, but I think it's just 2 hours away from each other. So it's like a rivalry, the Kushu something, because they're that close to each other. So they said, we're all black, so I'm gonna wear all black. But let's get out of here so we can go catch a train and get to Kumamoto. Let's get this day started.
Do it like that. 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 Do it like that.
I've made it to Kumamoto. Y'all, I literally had to have a whole come to Jesus moment because I had a whole dilemma because my Wi-Fi stopped working, just stopped working. So I'm in the taxi and I just had him drop me off at a ramen shop. But the thing is, I really didn't want that ramen, but that's the only one that would load and it would get me away from the train station. And I'm thinking I get away from the train station, then my Wi-Fi is gonna work. No. So then I looked around and I found a Starbucks. So I went in the Starbucks, got me some coffee, got me a yogurt, sat down, and I said, okay, I have 2 choices. I can either be upset and mad about this Wi-Fi and let it ruin my day, or 2, I can do what I can and make the best of my day because I came out here to see the castle. And if I sit here too long pouting, I'm gonna miss my opportunity because I still gotta go to AJ's game later. And I'm sure y'all can tell which option I went with because I'm not sitting pouting anymore. But right now I'm walking to the castle. I did have to turn my data on just because, I still gotta get in contact with AJ or, have my GPS. So I'm just gonna walk for now to allow myself to calm down. And then I'll take either the tram or a taxi to the game.
Do it like that. Do it like that.
So I went to 7-Eleven, got the umbrella. At first I thought about getting a big umbrella, but then I had to think about it. Where am I gonna put this umbrella? I don't wanna just buy it and leave it here. So I went ahead and got the small one so I can just throw it back in my purse and then we can use that at a later day. But I also want to show y'all these cherry blossoms. How adorable. Kagoshima's cherry blossoms haven't bloomed, at least by the park I live by, but they have here. I'm a little jealous. It's okay. My plan this year for cherry blossom season is to picnic. So we'll see what that is. I gotta convince AJ because last season I saw everybody picnicking, but it was already late, so we didn't get the chance to get out there. But this time we're gonna get out there. We're gonna be out there picnicking, maybe just one time though. I don't see him doing it multiple times just because he's pretty busy. I've made it inside. So now, well, I ain't made it inside or nothing. It's all outside. I think maybe, I don't know. Let me just work through my thoughts. But I'm walking up the Kumamoto Castle. So it was 800 yen, I believe. So yeah, and they take cash or card. So that was nice, but I just paid cash. I took some money out earlier, but y'all don't really care about that. So right now, we are walking up. Oh my gosh, this is really beautiful. Even in the rain, this is really nice. I'm sorry we're so personal and I got hair in my mouth. I'm sorry, y'all. We're all over the place, but I was not expecting the rain, but the rain is not gonna stop this show. on my journey to get to the game. So my original plan was to take public transportation, but the only options that were close were bus transportation, and I've never rode the bus, so I'm not really comfortable because I'm unfamiliar with it. Is it raining still? Okay, it's a little sprinkle. Hold on, y'all. Oh, like I was saying, I just am not comfortable. Ooh, hold on, let me pay attention, y'all. Pay attention for a second. Okay, like I was trying to tell y'all, so I'm a little uncomfortable taking the bus because I've never taken it, and I didn't want to try that out here just in case I got the wrong spot or anything like that, because I am pressed for time because the game starts at 2, I believe, and right now it is, I'm also trying to fix this camera, so like I'm in the frame, but right now it's 1:25, so I'm gonna make it there on time. I'm gonna make it like 1:31, I believe it said, but it had me walking, and when I say it, I mean Google Maps had me walking all through the little back ways. I'd assume I didn't walk through mud, I didn't walk through puddles. My post shoes are just like, girl, this was not in the agenda today to be basically hiking. But it's okay. I'm actually thankful. I did take a moment during that walk through the highways and byways to show gratitude to God and like thank him, because I never saw it in my path to see a castle, like even a volcano, like just being in Kagoshima, like those are things like we read in textbooks and things like that, and that's as far as I know about a volcano, about a castle. It's just, you know, what you read in a book. But to actually see something like that up close and personal, that was really, really beautiful. Even though I didn't really get to see all of the castle grounds, but for what I did get to see, I was very thankful and appreciative of that. We are back at the train station, and guess who I picked up? A straggler. But we're about to see if we can get something to eat, because all I ate was Starbucks. Because, okay, I have to tell y'all what happened with my ramen on why I didn't go. I don't know if I did tell y'all. If I did, y'all already know. If I didn't, I'm gonna have to catch y'all up on what happened. But we're gonna see if we can find something to eat in the train station, and then take the next train out and head back to Kagoshima before it gets too late. Okay, we made it on the train. This is my first time trying Moss Burger, so I wanted to try it with y'all. I got fries.
In case of emergency, please notify train crew.
Nuggets.
Thank you.
And a coffee shake. I'm already eating the fries. The fries are okay. I'm gonna try the nugget real quick.
이 열차는 신간센 사쿠라오 가고시마 출근행입니다. 도중 정차역은
Okay, that's right.
감사합니다.
I wish I had like a little bit of salt, just to like a little pop, or like some seasoning. But they're okay. Like a little nugget. The coffee shake. No, this is not bad. This is not bad. It's really not bad. Okay, let me find out. I've been missing out on Moss Burger. We're on our way back to Kagoshima, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get there, because we're on a train and I don't want to be rude. Hey y'all, So we just got back from Kumamoto. The train was smooth. The only thing downfall today, it rained. Y'all, let me tell y'all what I've been through. Okay, so my original plans going to Kumamoto was to go eat at a ramen shop because Kumamoto has their own like specialty ramen, and I believe it's like chicken based or something like that, or the broth is like something with chicken. And I was like, oh, I really wanted to try that because I really like chicken ramen. Like that's kind of my thing. So I wanted to try it. But when I first got there, my Wi-Fi was messing up. So that's when I ended up at the Starbucks because my Wi-Fi was loading up a little bit and I had 2 ramen shops on my list to go to. And so I was just like, was looking, and the only one that was loading was the other ramen shop. But I really didn't want that one. That was my backup. So I told the taxi man, could you take me here? He said, yeah. So that's how I ended up over there near the Starbucks. And by that time, my Wi-Fi still was not really loading. So I didn't end up going to the ramen shop I got dropped off at because I couldn't pull up the menu and it looked pretty packed because somebody was walking up as I was getting dropped off and they had to wait outside. So I was like, oh, it's packed anyways. Like, so I'm already frustrated about the Wi-Fi. I'm frustrated nothing's loading. So I'm just like, okay, scratch the ramen right now. I need to first get my phone to work, like just in general. Like I was telling y'all earlier, I just needed my phone to work. So I ended up going to the Starbucks, went to Starbucks, sat down, ate me a little yogurt, and I had a coffee. I sat down, calmed my nerves for a second, and ended up turning my data on. Cool. Then I went ahead on and walked from there to the castle. On my way to the castle, it starts to rain. I don't have a rain umbrella. I don't have an umbrella. I don't have one. So then I'm like, okay, I could either just walk to the castle, and I'm like, but what if it's not covered? What if there's no area? Like if it starts pouring down, where I'm supposed to go, what I'm supposed to do? So that's when I went ahead on and rerouted myself to the 7-Eleven, got me an umbrella. Cool, now we going, got my umbrella, everything going good. Then I get to the castle area, it's these hills. I had to walk all the way up that hill. I was so tired, y'all. I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? And then after I went and saw the castle for like, I think I stayed there for like 20 minutes or so. Not long at all because I had to get to AJ's game. And that was like another 20-minute walk. So I'm following MapQuest. Is MapQuest still a thing? I think it is. Why would it be gone? But anyway, back to the story. So I'm following Google Maps and it's taking me through all the back ways. I'm walking through the mud. I'm just really just walking. But that was during that walk. I had to like also like tell myself to be calm and just be grateful. I'm out here in Kumamoto. I'm able to like, you know, see what I saw, which I was able to see the castle. I ain't never thought about seeing a castle. I told y'all that like, you only see castles in books, you only hear about them, but to actually see it, like that was really, really cool. So saw that, and then finally get to AJ's game. I don't have nothing to say about the game. We're gonna leave the game where the game at. But went to the game, got to chill. It was real cool. Good to be around Kagoshima fans. So it's like, all right, the vibe is going back up. The vibe is going back up. Because at first my vibes was just like that. So I wasn't feeling that at all. And then coming back, me and AJ came back together, so that was always a plus. And then I feel like the fun thing about everything is when I get to ride the Shinkansen is because it's just like the thing be going like and so I enjoyed that as well. And then got to meet and see a bunch of people. So hey y'all, if y'all watched this, it was nice to meet y'all. And now we're back. So I'm gonna go ahead on and cut this Kumamoto vlog here, and I will see y'all in the next weekly vlog.